everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Come and join us. We are here together with my family for the celebration of the advanced birthday of my father and my brother. Right now, we are here at Redeem Pool. This is located in Valencia, Balugu, Valencia. If you were from Dumaguete, this is just, I guess,
100
20
entrance,
seconds
100. 500 for
riding
senior
from
citizen,
Dubai of
500.
you to this place. So, they are enjoying right now. Enjoy jo guys sila. There is a side. Naani siya kiddie pool diri, good for 2 to 5 years old. And at the bottom po na diya sa may bridge, na po na sila extension nga gigama. At the back day, na siya nice nga mga cottage. I guess it's 300 each cottage. And then, our side, that's 500 per cottage. So, enjoy jo kayo ang family diri sa Redeem Pool. So, ang sabi nyo gihulat, no? Kung na mo yung mga birthday celebration, whatever celebration you want, you can enjoy here at Redeem Pool. So, kanindot man sa tingog sa akong ison, oy, giduka gud down to ako amahan. So, hali na mo diri sa Redeem Pool. Ang akong Papa Murag Sereno. Enjoy jud kayo bisag kami camera dire na po sila video, okay, maka rent ra mo 450 per hour.